everybody. Welcome to Sentimental Pastimes. My name is Cheryl. I have a Dreamer Designs canvas that I'd like to share with you. It is beautiful. It's one I was after for quite a while, so I'm excited to have it, and I'm excited to look at it. So it comes in this standard box. It's got the kind of an iridescent coating on it, and it does have a handle. So let me get into this, and I'll be right back. If you're not familiar with Dreamer Designs, everything comes packaged inside the box in this mesh drawstring bag. So this is reusable. You can store diamond paintings, your whips, finishes, the canvas before you start it. You can store, anything like that. It's long. It's like almost like an umbrella bag, but it's very nice. Inside that bag, you'll find your canvas. It is wrapped with a purple bow, a ribbon, and your drills and your toolkit. The toolkit comes with everything you need to complete the canvas. It's a very soft, like velour type drawstring bag, so it is reusable as well. 2 single placer pins. This one is a square drill, so you do get the pointed tweezers, a straightener, I think it's a 6 or 7 placer, and a 3 placer, 2 containers of wax. There are 2 pads, I think, of wax in each one, or maybe 1. 2. Yeah, it's 2 pads of wax, and they are screw top, which I really like. 2 of those. 2 grips for your pens. 2 branded Dreamer Designs trays, and a bag of baggies. Your canvas comes rolled on a styrofoam roll, and it also includes a list of the colors. These are stickers so that you can use them on your containers if you want to. What I do with this is keep it with me while I'm diamond painting, and if I can't see the key, because some of the canvases are pretty big, I'll just refer to this. But this one has 67 colors and 2 ABs. Dreamer Designs puts their ABs at the bottom, so the last numbers will be the ABs. It also comes with the flyer with their social media information and full instructions on diamond painting. So let's look at this canvas. This is Autumn Oasis by Giana. Oh, it is so beautiful. There's a bench around all these trees, the gazebo, the birds in the trees, the butterflies. Just stunning. The flowers, the pumpkins, squirrel, everything you can imagine. It's fall, fall, fall. Autumn Oasis, Giana. It's an 80 by 60, which is 31.5 inches by 23.6 inches. Gorgeous rendering, gorgeous colors on the canvas. Clear, easy to read. I love, love, love this part of Dreamer Designs. They border the design they take the design out a little further so that you have this border around it that just continues the picture. I just really love that. So when you cut it from the canvas, you can cut along that line, and you've got a little bit of room between the edge and where your drills start. This is a square drill. Look at the colors on this canvas. It's so bright. I can just, you know, working on this one's going to be a joy because of the colors on the canvas. There's their social media information. There is a key on the upper right and lower left. 67 colors. Trying to minimize this glare here. Those flowers, look at him. Very detailed. The butterflies. And Dreamer Designs does have a lifetime warranty. So let's take a look at these drills. There are 2 packages of drills, 67 colors, square drill. Instead of 1 of 2, they put 2 of 1 and 2 of 2. So I'll open these up. I'll spare you the crinkle. Okay. One of my favorite things about Dreamer Designs is they number their drill packages numerically. So I number my containers always 1 through whatever. And with Dreamer, all I have to do is go right down the line, empty this into container 1, move on to container 2, all the way down the line. I don't have to look for numbers and try to figure out which vial everything goes in. This is very, very simple to kit up, and that's one of the things, my favorite things about Dreamer Designs. One of my favorite things. But we'll look at these colors right quick. I'll go through them pretty fast. We have 166. 310, 2 packages, 321, 433, 434, 435, 436, lots of shading, 437, and 452, 469, 470. The sparkle is just amazing. 472, 498, 580, 581, 600, a few of those, 602, 603, again with the shading, 645, 646, 647, 648, 2 packages, 666, lots of pretty reds, 2 packages of those, 699, beautiful green, that's Christmas, 700, 702, and 703, again, more shading. Now we're into the oranges. 720. That's one of my favorite colors to stitch with. 722. 740. Look at that one. 2 packages of those. 741. 2 packages. 742. 2 packages. Lots of beautiful oranges. Lots of shading. 743 and 779. 780, 782, a little bit of 791, which is a pretty blue, 792, 823, 844, 890, 2 of those, 891, and 893, 894, 898, 918, 920, 921, 922, 934, 935, pretty greens, 936, and 938, pretty brown, 938, another one, 947, there's still some oranges, 2 packages of those, pretty pale pink, 963, 996, 3024, 3072. It's a pretty like green tinted neutral. 2 packages of those. 3716, pretty pink, and 3819. And the last package, 3841, 3856, 3860, 3861, 3866, and then our 2 ABs, AB08, which is their white, very pretty, and then AB38, which that looks like a 7. I'm thinking that's going to be 702 or 704, whichever one we didn't get here. We got 700, we got 702 and 703. So this is, it might be in that family, I'm not sure. But look at that coating on those. Oh, 67 colors. It's going to be absolutely amazing. Eye candy. Aren't they beautiful? Beautiful, beautiful. And here is the canvas. Sorry about that once again. Autumn Oasis. Artwork by Giana from Dreamer Designs. 60 by 80. 67 colors, 2 ABs. Thank you very much for joining me today. And until I see you next time, happy diamond painting.